Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can get rid of OneDrive or you can remove it permanently from your PC. OneDrive is provided by the Microsoft, that is the cloud storage for the personal use as well as the professional use guys. So first of all guys, I should tell you what is the result by the removing or the get rid of OneDrive. So if you remove your account from the PC, there will be no loss to your data. Your data will be still there inside your browser. When you click on the browser setting and open the OneDrive from there, you should able to see your online files and folders from there. But if you have created files and folder locally in your system and then sync to the OneDrive, so all the data will be stored your PC locally as it is. Okay, so let's start without wasting more time guys. So first of all, we need to click on this gear icon here. Application should be coming up here. You need to click on that, and once you click on that, you need to click on this gear icon, setting icon. Okay, and let me resume the syncing here. In order to click on this icon and click on setting icon here, as you can see here, these are the files and folders I have, and I should tell you where it is locally stored inside your C drive or in your system. Just open the file explorer and you can see here OneDrive personal. So personal I have. So these are all the files created by me. For testing purpose, I have created one test offline docs, that is offline created locally in my system, but these all are online I have created on browser. Okay, and sync to this locally PC. So let me click on this option, setting, and once you click on setting icon here guys, you need to click on this option which says unlink this PC. Just click on that and it will say your OneDrive files will be stop syncing. That is okay. Locally available files will be remain on your device as I have told you, while online only files will be removed, but that will be in the browser account as well. So click on unlink account and see all are gone here. Only one file is there, that is test offline. Okay, so if you want to remove it permanently from here as well guys, so first of all we need to close that if it is running inside your system. If it is any application are running inside your system, just right click there and simply end it. Okay, related to OneDrive. So once you have closed that from the backend, we need to go to the add or remove programs, open that, and once you go to this, the OneDrive should be coming up here. As you can see here, Microsoft OneDrive, click on that and simply remove it and hit yes option when the prompt opens. Now it is going to remove from my system permanently. As you can see here, icon is gone now. Now it's gone now, so you see, and let me refresh it. But when I go to this PC, then C drive, your users, your usernames, now OneDrive folder is showing there. Just double click on that and this is the offline account I have inside my PC, and I can still recover the data from it and even open the data from it. So I hope guys this tutorial is helpful for you and you have successfully removed the OneDrive from your PC. So hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.